Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make or cook bugumpap. This is very easy guys, as in napaka dali lang niyang gawin. At saka yung mga ingredients niya, napaka dali lang ding hanapin. I'm sure nasa ref lang niyo ang mga ingredients na ito. Pag nasa Korea kayo kasi yung kimchi. Pwede din sa Pinas if, di ba kasi may mga tinda na naman sa Pinas na kimchi. Okay, so ito ang mga kakailanganin natin. Ham, which is 340 grams. Nice ko na ito ng maliliit. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Tsaka itong kimchi. Then, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. 2 pieces of garlic. Half piece of onion. And then, this one is rice. Hindi ko alam kung ilan to guys. Basta ganyan siya. And then, 2 tablespoon of course, the pepper paste. Yan, gochujang. Yan ang dahilan kung bakit magiging spicy siya at saka yung kimchi. Okay, so let's start guys. Okay guys, first is kailangan nating gisahin ang garlic tsaka yung onion. Pag ako guys, sinasabay ko na lang sila. Then, hintayin natin medyo maluto-luto siya. Hindi naman yung overcook. Yung medyo maano lang guys. Tapos, isunod natin yung ham. Napakabilis lang itong lutuin. So, ayan guys, medyo mapula-pula na siya, konti. So, ilagay ko na yung ham. Ilagay natin yung ham guys. Hindi naman yung masyadong overcook. Okay, so medyo luto na yung ham. Isusunod na natin yung kimchi. The very yummy kimchi. I-mix ko muna to guys ha. Ayan, i-mix ko muna to. Yung ham, tsaka yung kimchi. Mix muna guys. Then, next is the rice. Let's put the rice now. Okay, and then let's mix. And then, I also put the pepper paste. This is very yummy. Spicy. I-mix ko muna to guys. And then, isabay ko na yung soy sauce. And then, the sesame oil. Ayan, ready na siya. Ready na siyang kainin. Pipito muna ako ng itlog guys para sa toppings niya dito. Pero optional naman to guys. Kaya lang yung mga kasamahan ko sa bahay gusto nila ng may itlog. Lalo na yung mga anak ko. Ayan, ready na ang ating bugumpap. Nilagyan ko siya ng itlog, tsaka kim or seaweed. Yung itlog, ang egg yolk niya is lutong-luto guys. Kasi ayaw ng mga anak ko, tsaka lalo na yung asawa ko na yung medyo hindi luto. Gusto nila yung lutong-luto yung egg yolk. Kaya ganyan yung itsura ng itlog. So, ayan, this is our dinner for today. Ang dali lang gawin guys. Pwede siyang pang lunch, pwede din siyang pang dinner. Tsaka, ay nako, ang sarap nito. So, that's all for today, everyone. Please subscribe and like my channel, Mama Noem's Vlog. And please hit the bell button so that you will have an update to my channel. So, don't also forget that God is good all the time and He always has good plans for us. Bye! Have a wonderful day!